Are you having fun with your VR? Tired of getting LBR every time? Well, contact us, and you'll never get LBR again. Contact 1-800-FIXMyVR. For more info, go to www.fixmyvr.com. Now it's time for me to do my own thing.
Welcome to Secret Ecstasy. Hi, baby. Got some secret desires? Got a need for something hot today? I thought so. Well, I'm feeling a little nasty right now, too. Enter your credit card and come play with me. Secret Ecstasy. Oh, it'll be our little secret, and you'll never forget it. Oh, yeah, I'll make sure of that. Well, my hot and horny girlfriends and I are waiting for you right now for a live, one-on-one, anything-goes experience that will leave you exhausted. Or try our party line for your chance to meet the girl of your dreams and take her to your private chat room where everything is live and totally uncensored. Come play with me. Only $4.99 per minute. And discreetly billed to your MasterCard, Visa, Discover, or American Express as CGG. Or press 1 to use your checking account to pay for the funds. But remember, we're explicit and uncensored, so you must be at least 18 to join the party. Well, enter your credit card number now and come play with me at Secret Ecstasy.